Hello again. Right, this chart needed a bit of explaining. I posted it on my Twitter feed, and basically I've been watching this Moline thing that Muhammad Ali on Twitter, I do follow him on my Twitter feed. Just literally, it's a horizontal line trading method, and if you know me by now, you know that I believe most professional and ex-professional traders use the horizontal lines, whether it's pivots, weekly pivots, round numbers and so on and so forth. They all the ex-professional and professional traders that I've ever come across, and I make it my business to dig them out, to learn from them, like horizontal lines. So getting back to this particular chart, I've highlighted this area here because when I took this second trade on the DAX today, this big red engulfing candle, or bearish candle, I'm not sure whether it's engulfing, I think it might be, but I'm not going to bother zooming in and bothering with that, closed through the high of this little red candle here, and the previous low here closed through the high here. And that's why I've connected these two levels. This is a downtrend: low, high, high, low, high, high, low, lower, high, lower, low. You can clearly see that is a valid downtrend. Amazing how the price hit that level. It also hit the H1 level, reversal level, drawn on the H1 chart, obviously. So I'd just done all my levels, my M15, my M30 reversal level, and then finally the H1. And when it breaks through them, it tends to go through, and my way of thinking is if it wants to go lower, it has to break these levels. So as such, they become serious levels that get tested. And as you can see, price tested that one almost to the pip. Let's zoom in a bit so you can see it. I just zoomed out so I could explain what this line was really. So we've got all the normal attributes here. We've got an ascending trend line, we've got the trend break, we've got a swing trend in place here, we've broken the low of that red candle there with this one here just before my entry, a little bit of drawdown, target first area that I might get a bounce, as always. If I'm quick on the draw, as it were, on a 1 minute chart, I might go down and re-enter trades. I will often do that, but same old, everything's the same, apart from the fact that I'm trading the rubber band to that was the first trade on DAX, the rubber band to the hourly 8 EMA. This is, as you can see there, it's the 32 on the 15 minute. Someone asked me about settings on YouTube. You just get the same EMA on every chart by doubling. So the 8 would be 16 on the M30, 32 on the M15, 96 on the M5, that's 32 times 3, and so on and so forth. I think it's 480 is 5 times 96. So that's how you calculate your on the same chart. The RSI is set to 8 to answer the same person. Apologies, I've forgotten your name, but that's what the settings are. 8 on the RSI and the 8 EMA, hourly 8 EMA on every time frame. So back to this particular trade, everything followed the rules again. Ascending trend line, broken by closes of the 3 candle reversal variety, and then as you can see, everything else stacked up. Just a simple trend line connecting highs that make lower highs that broke through here to make the trend on this 15-minute chart. So we've moved away from the 5-minute trend on this particular chart here. We can look at it if necessary. 5 minutes. That was the original trend there, swing 1, 2, 3, 4, continuation is 5, and then we can sort of extend the trend now, swing 1, 2, 3, this is 4, and the trade is 5 here, and as you can see, we entered a little bit late, but it was purely because I was waiting for the RSI to give me the trigger here. That's the bust, that's the pullback, there's the pullback, there's the break and close down. Simple as that. So I absolutely, for people that don't believe indicators work, after 16 years I found this indicator, and it lines up so well with the 3 candle reversals that I am absolutely 100% certain of its reliability. So the earlier you get the trade, this is on swing. On this particular candle we've got swing 1, down 2 and 3, that's the break, as I say. That's 4. We've potentially got another movement to the downside, but that's not, never trade what I talk about, always trade your own charts. So that's it. Took a bit more explaining this one, but it follows the exact same rules all my trades will. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.